Top 10 best badass and brilliant new email autoresponders and email marketing software tools, apps and platforms. That's exactly what I am going to reveal to you in this powerful countdown now. If you have ever faced low CTR or click-through rate and low conversion over your email campaigns due to lack of personalization, or you have been challenged to enhance the quality, efficiency and consistency of your email drip campaigns along with inefficient tracking and analytics, then you are at the right video, my dear friend. Also, as you know, in this channel Best Softwares, I don't just meet your expectations but exceed it. So in this video also, I am not only going to reveal to you the 10 best email marketing tools, but an additional list of 20 best email marketing software tools, app and platforms which you need to know, because in total these 30 amazing email marketing tools will help you save time, boost productivity and achieve not ordinary but extraordinary results. And all these are listed on my website bestsoftwares.com, which is the most saved, bookmarked and shared website for software tools, apps and platforms on the internet. Do check it out after this video. In this channel Best Softwares, I cover the best secret AI software, business tools, digital website, platforms and apps. Do stick around because you won't want to miss platform number 2. It's a total lifesaver, so let's dive in. Platform number 10 is GetResponse. Best for small to medium-sized businesses seeking an all-in-one marketing solution. GetResponse excels in automation, offering features like landing page creation and webinars alongside advanced analytics. The user-friendly drag-and-drop email builder simplifies campaign design, while personalized automation workflows enhance customer journeys. Platform number 9 is MailChimp. Best for businesses of all sizes, especially those new to email marketing. MailChimp's intuitive interface and extensive features include a free plan with templates, audience segmentation and analytics. Automation tools enable targeted campaigns based on customer behavior, while seamless integration with various apps enhances functionality. Platform number 8 is Aweaver. Best for small businesses and entrepreneurs seeking a reliable email marketing solution. Aweaver features an easy-to-use interface, diverse templates and robust automation tools including Autoresponders. With integrations across various third-party applications and comprehensive analytics, users can track campaign performance effectively. Platform number 7 is Moosend. Best for small businesses and startups looking for an affordable email marketing solution. Moosend offers a range of features including a drag-and-drop editor, automation workflows and detailed analytics. Users can easily create targeted campaigns while benefiting from landing page capabilities and subscription forms. Platform number 6 is Sendex. Best for small to medium-sized businesses seeking a cost-effective email marketing platform. Sendex emphasizes simplicity and usability with features like email automation, segmentation, and analytics. Now, before I move on to the next tool, there are a few things which I want to address to you. Firstly, an economist has said that AI might not take your job, but people who know how to use and leverage AI will take your job sooner or later. So if you are an employee, an entrepreneur, a small business, a startup, a freelancer, a content creator, a marketer, or just a hustler or a dreamer looking to be more efficient, more productive, and more scalable, then this channel, Best Softwares, is just for you. Secondly, remember, in this digital age and with the dawn of AI, your business and your productivity would be built by systems, processes, and technology. And software tools and AI enables as well as empowers you and your business, and that's what exactly I am going to cover on this channel, Best Softwares. Thirdly, I highly recommend you to check out the website bestsoftwares.com. Link is in the description and comment, to take yourself or your business productivity, efficiency, and scalability to the next level with the latest and greatest around AI software tools and platforms. Bestsoftwares.com is in itself one of the biggest directory of AI tools, apps, and business softwares on the internet. So bookmark it for the rainy day because you are going to need it, if not now, then eventually. Also, don't forget to put in your email ID for a chance to win a surprise gift hamper and one newsletter a week, because you need to be constantly updated with the latest tech out there in your domain. And lastly, all the resources, tools, and platforms which I would be mentioning in this video would be in the description as well as in the comment section. Okay, now all that kept aside, let's get back to the next best business software tools and platforms for email marketing and email autoresponders. Platform number 5 is Sender. Best for small to medium-sized businesses looking for a user-friendly email marketing tool. Sender provides drag-and-drop editing, automation workflows, and advanced analytics to create effective campaigns effortlessly. Its focus on deliverability and customer engagement combined with a free plan offering essential features makes it an accessible option for startups aiming to grow their email marketing strategy efficiently. Platform number 4 is Privy. Best for e-commerce businesses wanting to grow their email lists and drive sales, Privy offers customizable pop-ups and exit intent offers to capture visitor information effectively. Its robust segmentation and targeting features allow for personalized campaigns that enhance engagement and conversion rates. Platform number 3 is Smarter Mail. Best for e-commerce businesses aiming to personalize their email marketing efforts, Smarter Mail leverages AI to create tailored campaigns based on customer behavior and preferences, ensuring relevant content reaches the right audience. Automated workflows save time while helping users engage customers with timely messages. Platform number 2 is Email Octopus. Best for startups and small businesses looking for an affordable and straightforward email marketing tool, Email Octopus offers essential features like customizable templates, automation, and analytics for tracking campaign performance. Its user-friendly interface enables quick setup, making it ideal for those new to email marketing who want to launch effective campaigns without complexity.
This video is sponsored by DCM, an acronym for digitalchannelmarketing.com, one of the best and economical digital marketing agency you will find for your business. Digitalchannelmarketing.com helps you to get publish your personal or professional brand on 400 plus news sites including Forbes, Yahoo, Business Insider, and much more at the best prices possible. You can also buy relevant followers, subscribers, likes, shares for your social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, etc. From 10,000 followers to 100,000 followers for your Instagram. Also, from getting your YouTube monetized with 4,000 watch hours to 1,000 subscribers, you can actually purchase more than 100,000 subscribers for your YouTube channel, to 100,000 followers for your TikTok or for your Facebook page likes, and much more. DCM is very reliable. Another flagship service is gifting a website to your loved ones on special occasions, or other website services like resume websites, portfolio websites, business websites, and more. They also have marketing services like search engine optimization, pay-per-click, social media, graphic design, content and copywriting, and more. They also have a unique service called website traffic services, which will help you to get more traffic on your website, and these are relevant traffic. Or you can also get their service which is video as a service, like you can get your monthly video editing for your YouTube, for your TikTok, Instagram, and more. Check out their website to start, build, and grow your influence and business with digitalchannelmarketing.com. Go ahead and channelize your digital marketing with Digital Channel Marketing or DCM. In fact, if you want to start your own business, then highly recommend to check out their partners page, which will give you all the information to start your own business today.
And platform number 1 is Retainful. Best for e-commerce brands focused on customer retention and loyalty, Retainful combines email marketing with automated follow-up emails, card abandonment reminders, and personalized offers. Its integration with popular e-commerce platforms enhances customer engagement. Well, as promised earlier, here are the honorary mention for 20 additional best, badass, and brilliant new email marketing software tools, apps, and platforms for your personal, professional, and business requirements. Platform number 11 is ClickFunnels. Best for entrepreneurs and marketers focused on creating high converting sales funnels, ClickFunnels simplifies the process by integrating landing pages, email campaigns, and sales processes into one platform. Platform number 12 is Constant Contact. Constant Contact is best for small businesses, non-profits, and event organizers seeking a straightforward email marketing solution. It is known for its user-friendly interface and excellent customer support. Platform number 13 is OmniSend. Best for e-commerce businesses looking to enhance customer engagement, OmniSend integrates seamlessly with online stores, offering advanced automation features for personalized messaging based on customer behavior. With its intuitive drag and drop editor and pre-built workflows, users can easily create engaging email and SMS campaigns that drive sales. Platform number 14 is ActiveCampaign. Best for small to medium-sized businesses needing a robust email marketing and CRM solution, ActiveCampaign excels in automation, segmentation, and personalization. Platform number 15 is HubSpot. Best for businesses of all sizes wanting an all-in-one marketing, sales, and service platform, HubSpot powerful email marketing tool features automation, A/B testing, and analytics. Platform number 16 is MailerLite. Best for startups and individuals seeking a simple yet powerful email marketing platform, MailerLite prioritizes user experience with its drag-and-drop editor and automation features. Users can create engaging campaigns and landing pages. Platform number 17 is Benchmark. Best for small businesses and non-profits looking for an easy-to-use email marketing solution, Benchmark Email provides customizable templates, automation tools, and real-time analytics to create engaging campaigns and analyze performance. Platform number 18 is Brevo. Best for small to medium-sized businesses aiming to boost customer engagement engagement through email and SMS marketing, Brevo, which was formerly known as Sendinblue, offers a user-friendly interface with advanced segmentation and personalized features. Platform number 19 is ConvertKit. Best for creators, bloggers, and entrepreneurs focused on building relationships with their audience, ConvertKit emphasizes automation and user-friendly design, allowing users to create targeted email campaigns based on subscriber behavior. Platform number 20 is SendPulse. Best for businesses seeking a multi-channel marketing approach, SendPulse combines email marketing, SMS, and web push notifications, allowing users to engage audiences through various channels. Platform number 21 is Klaviyo. Best for e-commerce businesses wanting to leverage data-driven email marketing strategies, Klaviyo offers advanced segmentation and personalization capabilities, enabling users to create targeted campaigns based on customer behavior and purchase history. Platform number 22 is Drip. Best for e-commerce brands looking to enhance customer engagement through personalized email marketing, Drip provides advanced automation tools, detailed analytics, and segmentation features to create tailored customer experience. Platform number 23 is Campaign Monitor. Best for businesses seeking to create visually appealing email campaigns, Campaign Monitor offers beautiful templates and a drag-and-drop editor that simplifies the design process. With advanced analytics and automation features, users can optimize their marketing efforts, making it ideal for marketers focused on enhancing their brand image. Platform number 24 is Sendinblue. Best for small businesses and startups wanting an all-in-one marketing solution, Sendinblue combines email marketing with SMS campaigns and offers unlimited contacts on its free plan. Platform number 25 is Autopilot. Best for businesses seeking to enhance customer engagement through visual marketing automation, Autopilot allows users to create personalized experiences with automated email campaigns and multi-channel marketing. Platform number 26 is Sellzy. Best for small to medium-sized businesses looking for a straightforward email marketing platform, Sellzy offers a user-friendly interface with automation, segmentation, and detailed analytics. Platform number 27 is Mailmodo. Best for businesses focused on innovative email marketing, Mailmodo enables the creation of interactive AMP-enabled emails, allowing in-email actions like surveys and forms to boost engagement rates. Platform number 28 is Zoho Campaign. Best for businesses already using Zoho products seeking seamless integration with email marketing. Zoho Campaigns offers robust features like automation, segmentation, and analytics, allowing users to create effective campaigns. Platform number 29 is Campaigner. Best for small to medium-sized businesses needing a powerful email marketing solution, Campaigner focuses on advanced automation and segmentation features. Platform number 30 is Twilio SendGrid. Best for developers and tech-savvy marketers requiring a reliable cloud-based email service, Twilio SendGrid offers robust APIs for transactional and marketing email solutions. So that was it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Best Softwares, and I can't reiterate more yet. Definitely and highly recommended for you to go and visit the website bestsoftwares.com now. Link is in the description and comment. This will sound redundant, but this one website will take you and your business productivity, efficiency, and scalability to the next level with the latest and greatest around secret AI software, business tools, digital website platforms, and apps. Bestsoftwares.com in itself is one of the biggest directory of AI tools, apps, and business softwares on the internet. Everything at one place. If you put in your email ID, I will also send you the list of the top 100 secret AI software tools in a PDF to your inbox. Also, as mentioned earlier, AI won't take your job, but someone who uses and leverages AI in their day-to-day personal and professional work for more productivity might. So rather than being anyone, be that someone, and that is applicable if you are an employee, a student, a content creator, a marketer, a freelancer, an entrepreneur, a small business, a startup, a hustler, or just someone looking to be more productive, more efficient, and more empowered. This channel, Best Softwares, is meant just for you. In this digital age and with the dawn of AI, your business and your productivity would be built by systems, processes, as well as technology. And software tools and AI are the major chunk of it. So that's what exactly I cover on this channel, Best Softwares. So don't let somebody, in fact anybody, to replace you. Be relentless and start using technology and AI today. If you want to know the latest secret AI software, business tools, and digital website platforms and apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Let's try to break the algorithm. Also, click the bell icon below this video to get notified whenever I drop a new tech video for you, because you need to be updated in this ever-changing dynamics of AI and technology. Here are a few more videos just for you. Also, all the resources and links mentioned in the video would be in the description as well as in the comment section. Join our community of achievers and stay ahead of the curve by subscribing to bestsoftwares.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.